It's your boy Slay coming back with another video. It's gonna be a POV video, but I'm just started a video off just like this because why not? You know what I'm saying? Different angle. ZL1 in the hood, you know what I'm saying? Chicago with it. It's literally 7 a.m. in the morning right now. It feels like it's like 10 o'clock, but 7:10 in the morning. Big ZL1. About to get out a little POV. And yeah, man, I'm gonna switch to my GoPro. They light fireworks on my car. It's crazy. Look at that. Yeah, man, I'm about to give y'all POV, so I'm about to switch to the GoPro right. Sounds so good. Bluetooth. AM drive in Chicago in the hood, man. Feels great outside too, so I can have the windows down. There's a car coming. Bus is right. This is my dead block right here. Take a little turn on my dead block. Motherfuckers sound like gunshots. Oh, damn. Let's go back around. This might be the fattest speed bump in my fucking life. Brakes. And this corner's still not even here no more. It's gonna be a great day today, though. Turn around, Keystone. Let me just back up right now. Big ass truck. Let me just back up right now. Hopefully no cars see me. Ain't about to catch me like it. There be trucks just like this, middle of the street, can't even pass it. focus on that motherfucker. Damn, I'm scraping the speed bump. I can't go back on no blocks. This speed bump crazy. Oh, I need my brakes, brother. And I'm scraping every time. Damn, scraping. Hey, don't mind my brakes, man. I'm gonna do them when I get back to the crib. I promise I'm gonna do my brakes back to when I get back to the crib. God damn. That focus fucked up over there. Y'all see that motherfucker? Shit. Let's drive out this focus, cause god damn, that motherfucker fucked up. Shit. What the fuck? What is it, Amazon? What they got over in Menards, Taco Bell? Oh shit. I really need some gas while I'm out here though, man. Oh shit. I think that's that train that sounded like that train over there. Slide to my grandma's house, my other grandma's house. Hand car work detailing enter. Please don't come out, brother. rain over there, then over here like it's not gonna rain. I'm trying to see where I should get gas at for real. I just raced this Crew 50. Crew 50S. Oh, hold up. That motherfucker quick though.
Hey, boy, that bitch fast as hell, bro.
Good looking. Hey, that motherfucker nice.
Hey, for sure. Camaro, is it? What year is it?
It's a 2018 ZL1.
2018.
6-speed.
Damn.
Yep.
How many horsepower?
It's stock, so 650 right now.
It's stock?
Yeah, it's stock.
Damn.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, we can. Yeah. Hold up. Good runs. Good runs, man. 7 a.m. running, man. Let's get it. 7 a.m., man. Good runs with a, I don't know how much they push, but it's a Crew 50S. So, but, bruh, this is what I'm saying, Chicago, bruh, like, it's always gonna be people racing like this, bruh. It's 7 a.m., bro. You feel me? Yeah. You good? This is a spot, boy. Me and my cousin, we should walk from right here, go to the gas station right here, boy. There's like a chicken spot on this corner, little corner right here. But the movie theater still right here. My mom, me and my cousin Scooby, JJ Mark, is it us? What? We used to come to this little gangway right here. Come drop on the fist, come right here, go to the movie, sneak in the movies. What? My little cousin JJ, he used to come but he used to sneak in the movies to the side door. Somebody come out, he go in, let us in. What? And we in the movie for free. We sneak right in the movies. Go watch it. We go watch like 3 movies. Me and that bitch for like 5 hours. What? Popcorn. We steal a bag. We get a old bag of popcorn from the garbage bag. Go wash it out. What? Free popcorn. stop playing with us, boy. For real, the hood nigga, boy. It's going to block the nail. We in the video off like that. Going Linda, man. You from Chicago, you know where I'm at. If you out west, you know where I'm at, on Pulaski, Bloomingdale. Back on the block, my grandma know they probably be up too. You know they be up. It's Linda, man. Linda Mall shit, man. Yeah. Linda Mall 1815. Stop playing with her, boy. Just park right here. I'm gonna just come over here and park. 5.0 Mustang, damn. I'm surprised they ain't put no fires here. I just get her right here, man. Show y'all the car. Then that's probably the end of this video. Hopefully, you know, shut off. Shut off. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Back in Chicago. Good POV. Y'all just saw me race a Infiniti Q50S. So I don't know how fast they are, but obviously they're not that fast stock. I don't know if it's stock or not, but yeah, man. Stay tuned for the videos. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment on the video if y'all like these videos. I need to get my brakes done. I'm doing when I go back home today. But yeah, man. POV ZL1, 7 a.m. in Chicago. So y'all let me know y'all like these type of videos, the POV videos. I'll keep posting them because obviously y'all liking them and stuff. So y'all keep liking the videos, subscribe and stuff. I'll keep posting them. And yeah, man. Subscribe to your boy. I'm out, man. Peace.